Ever wondered who controls the massive cargo ships that transport 90% of global trade? Or how some of the world's wealthiest individuals built their fortunes on the high seas? In this episode, I dive deep into the hidden world of ship ownership, a business that is capital intensive and has high barriers to entry. But for those who make it, it generates massive wealth and influence. And no one does it better than the Greek ship owners, a small nation that owns one of the largest merchant fleets in the world. How did they achieve this? And what can aspiring entrepreneurs and investors learn from their success? Well, stick around because we're about to reveal the secrets of the shipping tycoons. Let's start with the basics. Why do ship owners become so wealthy? Well, it's because of high profit potential. A single oil tanker can generate millions per year in charter fees. Strong global demand. 90% of world trade happens via shipping, meaning demand never truly dies. Leverage and financing options. Ships can be leased, financed, or bought at a discount, allowing ship owners to scale quickly. And high barrier to entry. The capital investment is massive, but that also keeps competition low. Unlike traditional businesses, shipping doesn't rely on local markets. It's a global business where the best operators make deals across multiple continents. When we talk about legendary ship owners, we have to talk about the Greeks. Despite being a small country, Greece controls over 20% of the world's merchant fleet. That's billions of dollars in assets. But how did they get there? Well, first of all, let's look at post World War II opportunity. After World War II, the US offered Liberty ships at low prices to Greek entrepreneurs such as Stavros Narhos and Aristotle Onassis. These savvy businessmen bought the fleets at a discount and dominated global shipping. Smart financing and leverage. Greek ship owners mastered the art of buying ships during economic downturns when prices are low, then selling or leasing them when demand spikes. This strategy has allowed them to profit in both good and bad times. Operating with low costs, they registered ships under flags of convenience such as Panama or Liberia to lower taxes and labor costs and keep their operations highly profitable. And global influence and connections. Greek ship owners built powerful relationships with oil companies, governments, and banks, ensuring steady contracts and financing options. Okay, so now we know why ship ownership is so lucrative. How can you get started? There are different types of ships, each serving a different market. Container ships, they're used for general cargo and e commerce deliveries, such as Amazon, Alibaba, and other e commerce sites. Oil and gas tankers, highly profitable but sensitive to global oil prices. Bulk carriers, they transport commodities such as grain, coal, and iron ore. And then we have LNG ships, used for transporting liquefied natural gas, one of the fastest growing sectors. Therefore, each has its own risks and rewards, so choose the ship wisely. Most ship owners don't start by buying brand new ships. They lease them or buy them secondhand at a discount. With leasing or chartering, some companies lease ships to others for a fixed period. This allows new ship owners to operate without the massive upfront costs. And with buying new ships, older ships can be bought at a fraction of the price of new ones. Savvy ship owners buy ships during recessions when prices are rock bottom. Take John Fredrickson, the Norwegian billionaire who started with old tankers and turned them into a shipping empire worth billions of dollars. Since ships are expensive, most owners use creative financing strategies to get started, such as bank loans and shipping finance. These are specialized banks that lend money for ship purchases. Private investors and shipping funds. High net worth investors are looking for opportunities in shipping. And government grants and subsidies. Some governments offer support for shipping startups. Greek ship owners rarely use their money. They secure financing, buy ships at a discount, and make profits before paying off debts. Once you have a ship, you need clients. That's where networking comes in. Greek ship owners mastered the art of deal making, securing contracts with oil companies like Shell and ExxonMobil, retail giants like Walmart and Amazon, and governments needing naval and transport services. The key? Reliability and cost efficiency. Clients need ships that are available, well maintained, and affordable. Becoming a ship owner isn't easy. It's capital intensive, high risk, and requires global connections. But for those who are willing to pursue it and make it, the rewards are enormous. Keep in mind, massive income potential. Ships generate millions in charter fees. Global business influence. You're part of the backbone of world trade. And generational wealth. Shipping empires can last for centuries. If you received value from this segment, kindly like, subscribe, and share it. Until the next episode, follow your business goals like a ship with a rudder and stay savvy.